already we have about 3 10 points out here, and I know there's a 13 point out here, and 3 of the points on that 13 point are small. You can just hang a ring on them, but I've caught them on trail cam out here for the last couple weeks. They've been out here actually for the last couple months running together. So I really think this is going to be a good year, and it's going to be an exciting year because this year we'll be recording the hunts, watch some YouTube videos, looking for some of the best equipment, not the best equipment, but just some good equipment, reliable starter equipment. That way not only can I record my hunts, but I can record Wesley's first deer this year too. Starting off, we'll be hunting out of my stand, which is right here. This will be for the first 2 weeks of November rut, and then I'll be getting Wesley out of school, and we have the we call it the shoot shack. It's the blind that stands about 8 feet off the ground. Once the corn comes down, that's the place we'll hunt with that. Give him a crossbow. Moving into gun season, he'll use the 350 Legend. But either way, his first deer is going to be recorded this year. So some of the equipment that I got, in case any of you guys are interested in doing this as well. I just bought this Muddy camera arm, tree arm. Really easy to install. Just one ratchet strap straps it to the tree. Fluid head. If you're curious, I can show you guys which fluid head I got. And then I got this camcorder, and just off, like I said, watching some YouTube videos, I went with the Canon Vixia. This one is the HF R52, and I'll clip some footage into this so you guys know what this does. But up top above me on the tree, I'm using a GoPro Hero 12, and I got a power bank on it, so that way it doesn't run out of battery. So yeah, I'll show you what this thing can do. And this camera has pretty good zoom too. Let's see if we can find something to zoom into. Let's go to this house over here. Walk out there. Come from the right and walk across. Yeah, but you gotta act like you're a deer. No. Put your antlers up. Yeah, go on across there. Stop right there. So that's my equipment. If you guys are interested in doing this for yourselves or your kids, it was pretty simple. Did cost me a couple $100. If you're interested, let me know and I'll share the equipment with you.